What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Substack newsletter platform and its different features. Now Substack is a great platform that you can use to create your newsletter, especially if you're starting out, since the platform has a really easy and innovative user interface to use. Now let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's substack.com, and you will be greeted with their homepage right here, where you can start reading about them, or you can create your account right away. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see some featured platforms and services that are using them. And here you can see some categories of businesses that use them in all types, like culture, technology, business, food and drink, podcasts, and so on. Now, if you scroll down further, you can view some more information and some more features. And here, in posts, you can create posts. In podcasts, you can view the video info and the community. Now, at the bottom, you can see here, read about or discover more about them. You can get the app. You can see the top podcasts, top culture, and so on. Now, let's start using the service. You can log in here, sign in if you already have an account, or start publishing to create your account. So I'll click here on start publishing. Now I'll need to enter my email, so I'll go ahead and enter it and then agree and continue. Okay, now I'm required to enter my name and something about myself. And I can also add my Instagram handle or my TikTok, my LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. That's optional, of course. Now I'll type in my name and then a brief description about myself and my business. And I can also upload my logo right here. So let's upload the logo. Click on the plus icon here. And I'll choose this logo. I was working on it for a past project. Open it. As you can see, it's now added. Now I'll enter my name and say brief description about myself and my business. Okay, so now I've entered my name. That's how to simple. And in the bio, I stated that I create YouTube videos, tutorials. Now let's click on continue. Here, the publishing URL or the publication URL is automatically generated. That's .substack.com, and it uses my handle, my name. Okay, and they tell me that I can change it later. Now let's continue. Now I need to import my mailing list. I can bring this list from many services such as Patreon, MailChimp, and others. I can here upload the file that contains my the mailing list or import it here, and I can skip it for now if I want to. Now I can add subscribers here, manually add them, and I can also add them or remove them later. However, I'll just skip it for now. And I'm redirected here to the settings of my dashboard or my own dashboard. Here I'm asked to confirm my email, so let's do it right now. Now I'll just need to open my email or my inbox and then click on the confirmation email that was sent. So I'll open it really quickly. I'm using here, for the sake of this video, a temporary email service. However, of course, when signing up, you do sign up with your real email. Now here is the inbox. Here is the email from Substack. Okay, that I need to confirm. I clicked on it, and here they should have a link, to confirm my email. Click on it, and now my email is confirmed. Now here I'm in my settings or my main dashboard. My profile is created with the logo and the name, the email and the handle. Now here I can view notifications for likes, replies, restacks, and other actions. Now let's go ahead and walk through the services, or walk through the main dashboard and the settings and the other options that I have. Now I can click to get the app here. I can scan it with a QR code, or I can send them write my email to send me the link for the mobile app. Now let's go to the dashboard. I can go to the dashboard from here, or I can go to my profile settings in here. Now let's go to the dashboard pretty quickly. Here I'm on the home. And I have the steps needed to complete my account. Now here I can turn on paid subscriptions if I want to. I can get my first 10 subscribers. So if I click on this option right here to get my first 10 subscribers, I can add subscribers by email. So add them one by one, or import an email list, as I was asked to do in the setup process. Or I can share here a link to my Substack to get customers to subscribe. I can share my Substack, or I can write my first post. Now, these are all the settings that I need to complete my account. Now here I can scroll down, I can see that I don't have any recent posts or recent latest posts or drafts or anything. I can create here a post. So if I go to post, or here, if I scroll down, I can create a new post or import posts. Let's go to posts here. I can click on new post or here, or I can view my drafts and my schedule. So if I click on new post, I can create a post, an audio, a video, or a thread, or a new note for myself. Now in the podcast section, I can start podcasting on Substack to creating my podcasts here on Substack, like creating a newsletter with audio notes and audio recordings and stuff like that. I can view the subscribers here. I can export or import subscribers, or I can view the subscribers like statistics. Of course, I don't have any subscribers since I've just created this account. I can add them manually, or I can export them. I can manage them if I want to. Now let's go to the status here. I can view my stats. Of course, I don't have anything going on right now. So I have emails, pledges, subscriber reports, network, reader sharing, and reader surveys. I can view the statistics for any of these. Of course, I don't have any emails for now. Now the recommendations, I can recommend like Substack to other like people, or invite writer to join them. And any settings here, I can view all the basic settings and change them. So the publication name is my name. My personal Substack is my short description. I can change the language. I can customize the site design. I can edit the about page, the logo. I can add categories for my business. I can set up Stripe for payments, as well as set up my monthly and yearly and founding subscription. Now I can edit here my branding. Scroll down to add like a word mark, a cover photo, as well as a logo. I've added a logo. I can go ahead and change the settings for my website. I can edit my links. I can enable colored link. I can enable previous and next post links and stuff like that. And here the navigation, I can edit like the navigation shortcuts. Now in the pages, I can import emails here. I can import posts. I can get the code here to embed in my other websites. Now in the payments, I can set up payments and I can edit my subscriptions. I have section, I have podcasts, I have publication details. You can see all the setting categories from here. So you can go ahead and edit the settings for your liking to create your own customized newsletter. And if I scroll to the very bottom, or I choose here the danger zone, I can access like the vital settings like delete post archive, change your subdomain, or delete this publication. So I can delete the how to simples Substack if I want to. So this is it. That was like a quick overview of the Substack newsletter platform and its different features.